Hi guys, welcome to day 23. Oh, we got one more left before.
One more day, guys, tomorrow.
And it's an absolute beast as well. Yeah, you're probably gonna need several buckets of popcorn for that one. It's a pretty tough one, to be fair. Pretty long one.
32 minutes of earwaxy goodness from the lovely Mr. Taylor Green. I don't need to be there tomorrow, so I'm going to bow out today.
No, you're not.
Taylor voiced the entire thing by himself.
I'm not coming in there.
I think we should get some mince pies. We'll get a cup of coffee on the go, a cup of tea. We'll sit down, we'll have a little snack. We'll get a little coffee table in the middle and have some snacks.
Oh, that sounds perfect.
That sounds great.
That sounds really good, actually.
Friday, yeah.
You can see it's coming out quite nicely. Now, we've cleared the blockage already.
Well, see.
See, it's
good at what you do, see, I agree. Good at what you do.
I wish they were all like this.
It would be nice for every single
Tomorrow's is not.
Good point. Good point.
We're just doing a little bit of tidying up here now with the fine end. You know, we're not really overly concerned about these little bits, but you know, trying to clear up as much as we comfortably can.
Yeah.
These little bits. I was like, oh,
there's always one of these right at the entrance of the canal to go
like, is I going to start peeling down the ear canal? But at this point, I'm going to draw it backwards. I'm not going to worry about peeling that down the ear canal. I don't want that getting uncomfortable. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you see a little bit of a flinch there as you pulled that one section.
Oh, I thought I went back in after that. Oh, must have cut off on the end there. We got, what's that, 1 centimetre? 1 centimetre.
And just under half an inch I'm going to go on that one, guys. There you go. Well, that's it for day 23. You're on your last day of Waxvent tomorrow, guys, which is day 24. Don't forget, we do take a break then over the Christmas period. You don't come back until the new year. So you'll have to go through the back catalogue, I'm afraid, if you're kind of missing your wax fix. So yeah, we will be back in the new year after tomorrow's video, but we're not gone yet. We still have tomorrow, which is a nice long one for you guys to look forward to. Was that me?
Oh, I was just thinking, I don't think we changed them.
Oh, no, we didn't. Did you? Oh, it's you. You've got bells on yours. I was going to say, but mine's not ringing. Right, so we shall see you tomorrow, guys. But as always, take care of yourselves.
Take care of your ears.
And take care of one another. Myself and lovely Mr. Taylor Green. We'll see you for our super duper long video tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
I can't wait.